I'd never been to Prince William Sound. I thought I was just going fishing. And I certainly wasn't setting off on a journey of epic proportions. Yet I found myself immersed in a world of unexpected teachers and unlikely poets. I've spent a year now in the company of the locals. Theirs is a wisdom of survival. I began this journey as an American businessman on a conquest, an expedition to test my skills against nature's. Guess who wins? Join my fall into an accidental quest for enlightenment.